channel, and today I am very excited to use this new kit I got from Coffee Planner Mom of Autumn is Calling. I did not get it in time for the first day of autumn, but I knew that wasn't gonna happen. But I'm excited to use it for this week, and it's one of those things I've mentioned in a couple other videos that I have used like all of my fall stickers. I have very few of them, so I'm very happy to have a new kit, and I know that by the end of November, if not sooner, they will all be used up again. I probably won't do an autumn spread every time, but still, it's probably going to be pretty close. So let's take a look at what is going on this week. I have Zone 1 and Zone 2. I'm sorry, not Zone 1 and Zone 2, Zone 5 and Zone 1, because so I do the Fly Lady system, or I attempt to do the Fly Lady system when I clean. And I'll put a link to her website and also to a content creator named The Secret Slob, because I actually follow her version of the Fly Lady system more than I follow the exact Fly Lady system. So because we're at the end of the month, the 5th week is always Zone 5. For me, that is my kind of home office area. And then the beginning is always Zone 1, so you get a little bit of both. And since my Zone 1 is bathrooms, that's what I chose my Zone 1 to be. Like, it doesn't take me long to get through our bathrooms. So this is, even though technically I should be working on my home office those 3 days, I know that's not going to happen. So I'm just going to add it to my chore checklist over there. So why don't we start with that? Because that seems to be what we need first. Let's see. I know we have a chores list. So we've got, or I should say script. We're going to put that on. I'm going to use the super colorful, like, ombre one. So when I plan, I typically, not always, but typically all of like my home stuff goes in the top area. And then if I'm not doing like a chunk of decoration, like in the middle or whatever, middle is usually for my pink zebra business. And then the bottom, I tend to use for either workouts or meal planning, things like that. But I kind of divvy them up that way. Not always. Sometimes it changes. But so that we've got Zone 1 and Zone 2. Let's go ahead. We know we're going to need meals. So let's do dinners. And I usually use one of these guys. So since we use the ombre over there, use the ombre over here. Let's put them down here. Whew, all of the things. I need to use this quote because I think this is going to happen here in Indiana this week. It started last week with the actual first day of fall, but we went through like kind of like all of a sudden a hot spell kind of popped up, and we were back in the 80s, and I think we're going to dip down again. We had a lot of days where we could keep the house open, which was nice, but oh, I think I want to use this one. I think what we'll do is we'll go because I like the ombre-ness there. And I know she has some leaves. So cute. Let's put Tell Tuesday down because I did incorporate that into my Flay Lady system. Tell Tuesday. Those of you who've been watching long enough, you know it's Tell Tuesday and Sheet Sunday. So we should put let's use a box. I think I'll use one of these guys. We'll go ahead and write it in. So I'm using a Papermate Flare. I actually brought this is my mug of pens. And so I brought that up here with me today. Usually I keep that downstairs because I do a lot of my writing afterwards. So there we go. Now I'm filming this on Saturday, the 26th, and I had a thing there. And so I have Pink Zebra Rally today, and it looks like it's going to be a lot about social media posting. So I'm not actually going to like fill this part in yet. Like I might put some more decorative stuff there for today, but we've got some printout calendars and I made them happy planner size so I can pop them in. I'm very excited to learn some new ideas and all that fun stuff. We're gonna use those another time, but I do like them. Let's go ahead and put trash night would technically be Thursday. Now, most of the time my husband takes care of the trash, which is awesome, but I do have the sticker, so why not? I feel like we need another something here. Probably the weekend sticker is gonna be used. Oh, I said in the unboxing that we need to use the next week's sticker. Here it goes, guys. We're gonna make a little box to write down things for next week. We're gonna see how that goes. I make no promises. I may wait to use the weekend sticker. It's so pretty and I'm not sure I want to use it in this spread yet. We do have an appointment. Somebody has a haircut coming up. In fact, let me double check my monthly here. Oh wait, no, it's the 9th. He does not have his appointment yet. Oh, I do have, put it down here. Let's grab a little bullet point. Round 2 of CPR class, because the last time I missed it because I thought it was at one time. And then I found out, no, it was not at that one time. It was an hour earlier. Oops. I don't do that. So when things like that happen, it makes me really cranky because I am a planner. I like to be on top of things, but I wrote down the wrong time. That's how it goes. We can't always be perfect, right? Right. Don't forget important day off. Oh, I can't wait to use the day off sticker. It'll happen. I think what I want to do next is maybe do some of these guys. I feel like we've done, is there any like particular color I want to bring in? You know what, let's go with, this one was one of the freebies that I got. Let's go ahead and put that here. Ooh. And we'll put another little bullet there because this will also be bingo night. I'm excited for this bingo night because I believe the reprinted catalog will be available at that point, and there's so many cute things. Like, I didn't realize they were coming out with like a ton of new stuff. I mean, not a ton, but a lot. A lot of new things came out for the reprint of the fall winter catalog. Mostly because a lot of the fall stuff is already sold out, which is crazy, but also really awesome. Put a one right there. And got that. And let's do, I kind of like doing these solid colors. Like I know we have the ones that have the full boxes in them, but Friday. Then since we got more of the red tones, let's use this guy over here so that I can kind of start planning some posts, but there's still white space there. And then habit tracker. Put right there. This one is still going to be workouts. I had a little setback last week. So I've been having some glute issues. And there's a couple times where I think I'm ready for a workout and then I do it and I make the problem worse. I mean, I know you don't always know that until it's too late. So that's how it goes. But trying to make sure that I find that balance between resting the muscle that's having issue, but like still getting a good workout in, because I think it's super important to find that balance. So we'll just see. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, I've been doing like 2 days on, 1 day off, 2 days on, 1 day off to kind of give myself that break. And the booty challenge starts this week, so that'll also be interesting to see how much of that I can do. But I'm going to give it a try and just focus on strengthening that muscle that's causing me some issues. So I think that might be it for this week. I'm going to double check. I mean, a lot of it I think will be after the pen stuff. So that'll come in later. And sometimes I like having more white space, guys. Like I love me some stickers, but sometimes I just need the white space so that I have a place to work on my thoughts. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. And like I said, I will link this kit as well as the Fly Lady system. And what else do we got? Oh, and I'll link Love Sweat Fitness because that's the person doing the booty challenge starting in October. So you still have time to sign up, which is pretty cool. And I hope you all have a fabulous week.